Hello, everyone, and welcome to Upgrowth. In today's session, we'll explore how to health check your lead generation target, which helps ensure your target for attracting new leads is realistic and achievable within your budget. But first, what are leads? Leads are potential customers who have shown interest in your product or service. For example, they sign up for a newsletter or subscribe to services or maybe schedule a consultation with you. So, if you scroll through our calculator, you'll see our Nifty calculator is very easy to use interface with three input variables. Let's say your target is to generate 1,000 qualified leads next month. So here's how to check if it's realistic. So let me explain each variable one by one. So cost is your advertising budget. Now imagine you allocate $4,000 for next month and then average CPC. This is the cost per ad click. Suppose your estimated CPC is $0.25. Will input the value. You can extract all these data on the historical trends. Similarly, conversion rate, you can look at your past lead generation data to estimate the percentage of visitors, website visitors who convert into leads. So let's say it's 5% in your case. So all these data pointers you can extract from your ad campaign. Now simply you have to hit calculate. Now with these variables, you can estimate your ads might reach approximately 16,000 people, potentially generating 800 leads with your CPA being $5 per lead. Now, in the example that we took up, you aimed to generate 1,000 qualified leads, so which does not currently align with your target, which essentially means that you have to adjust your target slightly. You can either increase your ad spend to reach more people or maybe optimize your landing page and lead capture forms to improve your conversion rate. So the conversion target is contingent upon majorly on the cost, then of course average CPC and conversion rate. So if you have historical data for average CPC and conversion rate, so probably you'll have to try optimizing the cost of your ad spend. So by health checking your lead generation target, you can refine your marketing strategy to attract more qualified leads and achieve your business goals. You can check out the calculator by following the link in the description. And if you want to check more such health checks for different conversion targets from our website, you can explore different calculators from resources on a homepage, or you can simply look up for health check calculators from Upgrowth on search engine. For instance, if you want to health check your CPA, you see we rank first on it, so you can simply click on this link, and we also have a detailed video on the same. I'll drop the link in the description. If you want a growth partner, book a consultation with a growth hacking specialist. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tools to optimize your online presence. Thanks for watching.